Hello there guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel, and in this quick tutorial I'll show you how to use the Claude AI to turn long text into concise bullet summaries in seconds. First, log into your Claude AI account and open a new chat. Paste the text or document you want to summarize into the chat box. Next, type a clear instruction like summarize this text into bullet points or create a concise list of key points from this document. Press enter to send it. Claude will quickly process the text and provide a clean list of bullet points highlighting the main ideas. You can ask it to adjust the number of points or focus on specific sections if needed. For longer documents, it's best to break the content into smaller sections and summarize each part individually. Then combine the bullet list to create a complete overview. Finally, copy your bullet summary into a document, presentation, or note app for easy reference. And that's that, guys. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.